I did this 15-min full-body workout. For 30 days, shocking no equipment results. Believe it or not, you can completely transform your body in just 30 days using nothing but 15 minutes and your own body weight. I committed to this exact routine every single day for a month, and the results shocked even me. In this video, I'll break down the 7 game-changing exercises that rebuilt my physique from the ground up. Make sure you stick around till the end, because I'll reveal my most dramatic before and after photos, plus the one exercise that literally changed everything. It's a total body destroyer that burns fat while building lean muscle like nothing else. Let's dive in. First up, we have prisoner squats. Prisoner squats aren't your basic squats. They're an upgraded powerhouse that hits your quads, glutes, and core while simultaneously fixing your posture. By keeping your hands behind your head, you're forcing your chest open and shoulders back, counteracting all that forward hunching from sitting at desks all day. What makes these so effective is they build functional lower body strength, improve hip mobility, and enhance balance, all while teaching your body proper movement patterns. To perform them correctly, keep your elbows pulled back, chest tall, and don't let your knees cave inward. Sit back like there's an invisible chair behind you and drive through your heels to stand. The key is control, not speed. Each rep should be deliberate and powerful. Next, we're combining strength with mobility in the push-up to downward dog. This isn't just a push-up, it's a dynamic movement that builds upper body power while stretching your entire posterior chain. Each rep starts with a controlled push-up, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Then you flow directly into downward dog, stretching your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders while promoting blood flow throughout your body. This exercise is genius because it builds strength and improves flexibility simultaneously, helping you recover mid-workout while still challenging your muscles. For proper form, keep your core tight during the push-up with elbows at 45 degrees. Then, in downward dog, press your heels toward the floor and push through your palms, creating a beautiful stretch that prepares your body for what's coming next. Now it's time for dead bug. And trust me, this exercise might look funny, but it's pure core gold. The dead bug targets your deep core stabilizers, the muscles responsible for spine control and functional strength. This isn't about flashy moves. It's about teaching your body to move your limbs independently while maintaining perfect spine alignment, which translates to better posture, reduced back pain, and incredible core control. To perform it, lie on your back with arms extended toward the ceiling and knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend opposite arm and leg while keeping your lower back glued to the floor. Move slowly and with intention. If your back arches, reset and start again. This exercise builds the foundation for every other movement you do. Speaking of foundations, lateral bear crawl takes things to the next level. This isn't just crawling, it's controlled chaos that torches your shoulders, core, quads, and glutes while demanding serious coordination. The bear crawl is a primal movement pattern that builds total body strength, improves cross-body coordination, and boosts both physical and mental toughness. To do it right, start in a bear position, knees hovering just inches off the floor. Move laterally, side to side, not forward, keeping your knees close to the ground and moving opposite limbs together. This exercise will challenge every stabilizing muscle in your body while building incredible functional strength. Halfway through, we hit glute bridge march, and this is where we start building that bulletproof posterior chain. You're not just lying on the floor, you're actively strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, the muscles that counteract all the sitting we do daily. This exercise isolates and activates your backside while teaching hip stability and glute engagement, critical for both posture and power. To perform it, lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips high, creating a straight line from knees to shoulders, then march one leg at a time while keeping your hips level and stable. This burns like crazy, but it's rebuilding your entire foundation. Next up, shoulder taps look simple, but they're absolutely brutal for developing core control and shoulder stability. This exercise builds anti-rotation strength, meaning it teaches your body to resist unwanted movement while maintaining perfect plank position. To do them, start in a high plank position, feet slightly wider than hip width. Slowly tap one hand to the opposite shoulder, then return to plank position. The key is keeping your hips stable and not allowing any twisting or shifting. Your core should be working overtime to maintain perfect alignment. This exercise builds the kind of strength that translates to everything else you do. Finally, we end with wall sit with arm raises. This is where we test your mental toughness as much as your physical strength. Wall sits lock in your quads and glutes with isometric contraction, while the overhead arm raises keep your upper body engaged and your heart rate elevated. This combination trains your body to maintain strength under fatigue, a crucial skill for real-world applications. To perform it, sit against a wall with your back flat, knees at 90 degrees, and slowly raise your arms overhead and back down. This isn't about speed, it's about endurance and mental grit. Here's what happened during my 30-day transformation, and the results genuinely shocked me. By day 10, I noticed my posture improving dramatically. My shoulders naturally pulled back, and my core felt stronger throughout the day. By day 20, the muscle definition in my arms and legs was becoming visible, and my endurance had skyrocketed. I could complete the entire routine without stopping. But the most shocking change came in the final week. My body composition had completely shifted. I lost fat while building lean muscle, and my energy levels were through the roof. The secret isn't just the exercises, it's the consistency. This 15-minute routine became my daily ritual, a promise to myself that no matter how chaotic life got, I would carve out time to build a stronger body and clearer mind. The mental benefits were just as dramatic as the physical ones. Each day I completed the routine, my confidence grew, and my discipline strengthened. Progress isn't about doing more reps or harder variations. It's about showing up every single day and getting 1% better. You can't fail if you don't quit, and that's exactly what this routine taught me. The beauty is in its simplicity. No equipment, no excuses, just you, your body, and 15 minutes. If you want to see the most dramatic before and after photos from my 30-day challenge, make sure to hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need this transformation. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually works. I'll see you in the next one. Stay consistent.